Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're going to take up the 1220 millimeter FMS Ranger and see what we can do with her. This is one good flying little bird here now, I'll tell you. Try not to blind you with the sun here. And of course my approach is going to have to be from the sun. So let's see if we can do this without blinding me. Alright, there you go. There we go. Alright. What we might do is go against the grain here. Actually go with the wind and land. And granted, I know you're not supposed to do that. But the rub is, yes, I'm going to come in a little hotter, but I can see my plane and I won't be blinded. So I think that's a better deal. There we go. You may need sunglasses to watch this video. There's my disclaimer. Nice yellow plane. With flashy lights. Flashy lights. Alright folks, there it is. That's the FMS Ranger. Great little plane, a little bit of attitude with her. But thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.